25. 21.
I got a chunk out of the tire right there.
Yeah, we need new tires.
I mean, they're not. I mean, they still got a little bit of life on them, but not much, huh?
Yeah, for some reason the rears are definitely took a hit this time around. I get them rotated pretty regularly, but the rears are definitely worn. So we're way up here at the Lion Head unit, up on Priest Lake. And our goal for today is actually to make it around Upper Priest Lake. Now, Upper Priest Lake has only two ways to get there. You can backpack in, or you can go by boat. We've been up here before doing the rock water slide, and the kids were pretty little when we did it last time.
They loved it.
But we have a link down in the comments of the rock water slide. It was a fun video. It was one of our early ones. But today we're just gonna circle around Upper Priest Lakes in some area that we've never been in. And we've been told that there was an old World War II airfield that was partially constructed up there. I don't know if they ever flew planes in there or not. But there's a tower that in some capacity was repurposed as a fire tower. And they had to redirect a river. What they found was that the bull trout, by rerouting the creek instead of letting it weave through there, increased the water temperatures, and the bull trout started dying off. So they went in there, and it was this huge project where they brought in bulldozers and had them drive over plywood so they didn't damage the soils and that. And they took out the redirected part of the river and restored the natural waterway. So I'm really curious to go up and see that and see if there's any remnants of the old airfield and see what we can find.
I've been wanting to go on this route for a long time now. There's something about north of the Upper Priest Lake that it just feels super remote. Not many people get up here because it's really out of the way, and I love this wilderness in this area.
It is cool, and the closest gas is all the way back in Priest River, so I guess a lot of people come up here and they don't have the fuel to drive much further. But we're gonna give it a shot today. Wish us luck. Venture Playlist starts now.
We're at Crossroads. We're gonna follow the map. That, as you can see, is a very used road, but if you look at it on the map, it ends. It dead ends at the top of the mountain. We want to get up and over the mountain. We're gonna try the trail less traveled.
So we've climbed basically the top, and we're heading back down into the basin that has Upper Priest Lake in it.
We made it to the snowmobilers' warming hut.
What?
It's for snowmobilers, so they...
It doesn't say on the map that it's here as the snowmobilers hut.
Ah, it's open! Cool.
Hello.
Helene, come here. Let's go check it out in there. So, If you make it this far in your snowmobile, it means you need it. This is back here. Oh, cool.
So this is to hang up all your clothes and dry it. That's pretty cool.
This is Priest Lake. And here's the upper Priest Lake. And this is why I just want to go out on this route, is because there's no roads to this lake. You can't get here by driving. You have to take and do this canoe trail to get to it. So to be up above this area, I mean, it's just, this is the route we're taking. And if we want, we can come up here and hit close to the Canadian border, but we're definitely going to come over here. Hughes Meadows is where the airstrip for World War II is, and then this little road will bring you up to Hughes Ridge for Lookout Tower. And then we're going to come down, take this road back down to Priest Lake, and Elaine's dying to go fishing there. Made it to the top of the mountain for the lookout tower. Now it's just a bit of a hike, nothing too crazy. We'll get to check it out, but it's not open, so we won't be able to get to the top. It's steep. Oh, huckleberries are ripe. Trail snacks, nice. You get a trail snack?
Yep. Oh, there's a bunch on this side.
Holy cow, there are.
I still remember the last time I picked huckleberries. It filled like a whole jar full.
Yeah, they were yummy. Wow, that's cool.
So far, this oh, you saw that side?
Very cool.
Beautiful views here. I do see little specks of snow in some of the hidden places on the peaks. Really cool. Bring bug spray though, lots of bugs.
So that's Upper Priest Lake. Yep. Oh, we still have stuff to do, so you'll get rained on regardless. We gotta go see Hughes Field, or Meadow, that's right. We gotta go see Hughes Meadow.
Save that for the Jessica file.
Yes. Oh, that was a short hike, a little steep, but well worth it. Wow, what a view. I love those. And we beat the rain.
Yeah.
Although, now we're headed to Hughes Meadows, and we'll probably get rained on there, but that's fine. That's where all the World War II airstrip kind of work was happening. We're gonna go to Hughes Meadows. Check it out.
What the heck is Hughes Meadows?
You're gonna have to wait and see. Turning radius on this is awesome.
In the middle had a creek in that we can use to put it
Made it to Hughes Meadows. This is beautiful. We didn't know it was like a cedar grove. This is awesome. It's just raining now, so we're gonna get a little wet exploring, but that never hurt anyone. I also didn't know there's a cabin. I wonder if you can rent this. Let's check it out. Smoke jumpers.
This is probably old.
Aw man, not maintained for public use. That sucks. Because this would be awesome. Hey, I think we can...
smoke jumpers on this.
Yeah, let's see
Smoke jumpers?
if there's any...
Ooh,
Hold that
I
open.
don't have a light.
Let's see. There we go. It's the only light we got.
What does sun?
Quite a bit of space in here.
Looks like they took out the fireplace.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow, it's really raining.
Yeah, I'm putting this on.
This is a cool cabin.
Can you imagine waking up to that?
Well, guess why I'm doing this?
I'd wake up to that.
Me too. Oh, it's so thick.
If anything, I'd camp up here on the porch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, if you have to kill some time under a shed cover with your family because it's raining, this is a pretty awesome place to do it.
Yeah.
I want to come back here. I want to go camping here.
Yeah. Yeah. Why didn't we bring the tent?
Plenty of space. I think I'd bring a canoe or a kayak just to paddle around out there because it's gorgeous to go and look at. And it's not a hard road to get here either. It's surprisingly easy. You just can't take my eyes off it. Little break in the rain. You guys aren't even following the path. Yeah, I'm pretty sure a path over here. Of course, I could be wrong. I don't know. Closed to all vehicles except snowmobiles on snow. I don't think that includes like boats or anything though.
No.
I think you can bring kayaks out here. Paddleboards.
Paddleboards. You could bring a canoe or something. Oh, wait.
Oh wow, there's a structure out there. But I don't think we're going any further. It's water.
Oh my goodness, and it's really raining. Okay,
Let's go. Back under the tree. Back under the tree.
Right.
Yikes.
Yikes! The creek was amazing.
That is a lot more water than I thought.
We got wet.
It's raining.
I love the forest around here. These huge cedars. Absolutely incredible.
What is it?
How you doing, sweetie? Hey, it's a beautiful place to do it anyway.
I don't think that spot gets gold mined very often. Like gold panned, I should say.
Yeah.
So, but I don't know. This is the first time I've really gold panned, so we'll see what we find.
Yeah, we'll have fun.
Yeah.
Well, we made it down Beaver Creek, made it all the way down to the campground on the lake. It's still raining on us, but we had a fun time today. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget, you can get 10% off a Yankum rope by going to yankum.com. Use the code VenturePlaylist. Get 10% off your rope, shackles, whatever you need there.
Thank you, everyone. We had a great time. We hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll catch you next week. Thank you.
Thank you.